Today is November 1st, 2017. We are on DAX 30 index chart. Now, I'm showing you the standard chart, which is just the normal trading times for the DAX 30. So this is the non-IG or the futures chart. I wanted to show you this chart as there's a few interesting things going on here. As we can see, we created a gap from Thursday 26th of October to Friday. There was a gap up, and then Monday during trading session was pretty much really a non-event. I just traded within the range. But currently at the moment, just looking at the DAX futures, due to yesterday being a public holiday in Germany, the DAX futures is currently trading at 13,327. So that would put us in an area of 13,003. Somewhere around there. That's not exactly accurate. Though if we do see the DAX open at these levels and it doesn't pull back to fill this gap, there we have a pretty sizable gap, which is quite, I don't know, concerning to me, as you know, we have a few gaps previously, and you know, with a gap that size, you have to ask yourself how much further can this go before we should see a pullback. Also to note on this chart is, I'd like to point out the RSI. Even though we're in overbought, I might just delete that. Hold on, I'll put a segment in. Will be better to do. We've got a negative divergence forming on the RSI. So from those breakout points to the recent high, we've got the index moving higher. The RSI is starting to weaken off. Now, this is something to keep an eye on to see how this plays out, because it could in the near future be signaling a sell-off may be coming soon. Now what I'd like to do is pull that one down, move on to the futures chart, switch to the 4 hour. Yeah. I noted in my previous chart analysis on the DAX that it was forming a bull flag, and I said to keep an eye on, my level was for a move high to keep an eye on this level of the 50 fib area and the horizontal Fibonacci of the 423, which is 3,366. Even though we had a slight pullback, but it did ultimately confirm that bull flag movement, because we've had the price move up. So I still maintain my price target of 13,364 area in the short term. It may even hit that target today before we start to see a retrace occur. If we go across to the daily, as I noted as well, that 1x2 Gann angle here of 13,437 area, I'm looking for a target as well. As I said, it may eclipse it and test this angle, which is 13,366, which lines up on our 4 hour. So we have the daily and the 4 hour, which is confirming a target to be hit. And I think at that point I'll probably be looking to take some short positions, and my first target would be that gap on the standard at 13,228 area. So we'll see how this plays out once the DAX opens later today.